So you create your video players here like this. You just click new to add a new one. And you can see that they're all listed and you can edit them at any time, all the different settings. And each one has its own shortcode that you can embed in any page or post anywhere on your site. So if I wanted to use this one here, this demo video for an old product of mine, I could just copy the shortcode, and embed it in a post. So for example here, I've embedded this video player shortcode in this post here. So if we have a look at exactly what this video is, we can see here that there's a few different, loads and loads of different settings that you can use. So we can embed YouTube videos, which I've done here. So I've just put a YouTube URL in for my video here. And you could also, if you wanted, using the local upload, so you can select video files that you have on your WordPress site. Or you could input an external URL. So say you wanted to have your video uploaded to AWS on Amazon, or you wanted to have it hosted anywhere else on the internet, you can put that in there. But let's work through this example with this YouTube video. So you can see that when I've created this, we've got a load of different settings. So we can choose exactly how big we want the video. We can specify the width in percentage or in pixels. Also choose the aspect ratio. We can choose the video quality. We can choose to have autoplay on or off. So it gives you loads and loads of different options right off the bat. But the really cool thing about WP Video Ace is the different effects you can use, these different engagement effects that you can put on the video to really get insane engagement with your site visitors and really push those sales and push those opt-ins. So how does this work? Well, we'll start with the full screen video feature to begin with. You can see there's 3 different features we can apply to each video player. We'll start with the full screen one and show you how that works. With the full screen video, you can force full screen mode. So no matter what the user clicks, you can force the video to display in full screen and force the viewer to engage with it. You can set how long you want the full screen mode to last. So in seconds here, for this video, we've said that full screen mode will start at 5 seconds and end at 10 seconds. But if you wanted to, you could have it last the entire video length, only a second. You can do whatever you want with this. So let's have a look at how that actually works. So here is the video player we've just created, embedded in the post itself. And if we click play,
Hi, I'm Todd.
Wait for 5 seconds.
Recognize me from my knowledge of how video impacts your
boom,
business.
full screen mode. If we wait till 10 seconds,
Today I want to give you
boom, out of full screen mode. So we set the full screen mode with start at 5, end at 10. That's great engagement with your visitors right there. And remember, if you wanted this full screen mode to last the whole video, you can do that. You're in control. So let's take a look at some of the other amazing things you can do. So with this post here, you can see we've got some content under it. We've got a video, and then we've got some content like you normally would in any blog post. But maybe you want to force your site visitors to engage with the video before they see the content. Maybe you want to make them watch your video before you give them a great gift, like a great download link or a great, great image or something like that. So maybe we take this content out here. So I've just used text in this example, and here's the post. So maybe I take it out of the post, and then we'll update the post. And instead of putting it there, we put it in this locked content section here. Now all I need to do is take this special locked content shortcode, put the shortcode in my post here. And now you will see that instead of at 5 seconds the video going to full screen mode, and we just update this. Instead of full screen mode happening, we should see at 5 seconds our locked content here appear in our post. So let's refresh the page. Press play. Then wait what happens at 5 seconds.
Most people recognize me from my knowledge of how video impacts your
boom.
business.
Like that. And remember, you can put anything you want there. You could hide a great download. You could reward your visitors for watching your video. You can do anything you want with it. And then if we play a little bit further, you'll see that at 10 seconds, as specified, there, it disappears again. And remember, with this shortcode, you can place it anywhere you want in any post or page and have the locked content appear at that point in the video. Now let me show you something else really cool. So I'll remove this text here and we'll replace it with a JVZoo buy button. So this is a buy button for the product that this video is promoting. So I will then update this here, and instead of having the locked content appear in a shortcode, let's try a different option. Let's have it appear to the right of the video. So, and I'll also have the video resize when this appears. Let me show you how this works. So if I put in here, say 60%, so what's going to happen is, to update this, at this point in the video, at 5 seconds, the video is going to resize, and then this buy button is going to appear to the right. Let's see how this works. So we'll refresh the page, and we'll click play.
Hi,
So, well, wait, 2, 3, 4, 5, bam. There we go. So imagine that. Imagine at the perfect moment in your video having your buy button appear, or instead of a buy button, maybe you put an opt-in form. And you don't have to have it appear to the right-hand side. You could have it appear to the top, to the left, to the right, to the bottom, wherever you want. Again, you could also use the shortcode. You could use the shortcode like before to have it appear anywhere you want on the page. This plugin puts you in control to get you sales, get you opt-ins, and get you engagement. Now let me show you one final really cool thing, and I think this is probably my favorite feature so far. So thumbnail on scroll. I'll not explain anything, I'll just set this up. We're going to put thumbnail on scroll, and I'm going to have the thumbnail appear in the bottom left, sorry. There we go. So click update, and then we go back to our post, and then we click play, and then we scroll down, and boom, look what's happened. It's appeared as a thumbnail in the bottom left-hand corner as we specified. And you can have this appear anywhere you want. So you can have it appear in the bottom right, the top right. I've got it in the bottom left at the moment, or the top left. You can choose where it appears. But that's not all. We'll keep on playing, we'll keep scrolling and see what happens. Boom. Just like before, just like above, the buy button, the content we've locked, has appeared where we wanted it to, even in the thumbnail. And remember, this doesn't have to be a buy button. It could be a little opt-in form. It could be an image. It could be a link to somewhere. It can be anything you want. That's what this plugin does. It puts you in control to give you the power you need to make your video marketing really work.